God have do a lot of great things for me. So me always have faith. Move mountain. Yeah. Love God, you know. I oh, honor and glory to the Almighty. Oh, honor and glory. Hear me say, oh, honor and glory. Who shall the stand for me? Oh, honor and glory. My God is great. You make my life so free. Lead her not in temptation. That's not the way for me. And we've been on a wailing and a gnashing of teeth. You make the devil control you. That's the reason why you are so weak. Sing again. Oh, honor and glory to the Almighty.
My baby, yeah. You showed me how to fly on the wings of light. Need you in my life. My MSE life. Say I'm the only one you need in your life, in your life. And you can't wait in vain for my love. You need it now. It's been a long time.
Oh, I am so tired. Girl, I don't know what he did to me, but whatever he did to me, I can't do nothing about it. Because I do love him so much like that.
But you know what? I'm mad with you, but I'm happy for you. Because you need to settle that hot ass down. This took me by surprise. What is Flick going to say about this when he finds out? Because you know he's jealous and possessive. How are you going to work this? I want to see this.
I'm going to work it because I really don't. I'm not feeling him like that anyway. You know, he be doing his thing. He an artist too. He a photographer and all of this stuff right there. He ain't got no time for me. Ain't no telling what he be doing anyway.
Right, right. So what's your husband's name?
Richie.
Ricky?
Richie.
Ricky?
Ricky.
Well, Ricky got it going on, Hennessy. You took me by surprise, but even though I'm mad with you, you know what? You got to do what makes you happy. And you look like you're blooming, you're blossoming. I know he gave you some of that good stuff, right?
Girl, was it good? I hope I'm pregnant. It was that good.
You want a baby by him?
His mama want me to have
his mama want you to have babies.
His mama.
Look at this here. I think I've heard it all.
Well,
damn.
You heard it all. This the one.
This calls for a celebration. We need to go down to Bob Marley's or City Walk or something tonight.
We need to get on a few drinks tonight, but I can't get on too much because I don't even know if I'm pregnant or not.
You don't know if you're pregnant.
That's
quick though.
That ain't.
Or you just feel kind of offish.
I just want to be a little careful.
Yeah.
You never know, because the things that we was doing ain't no telling.
What was you doing? Everything.
We was doing so much things I discussed with myself. What's up, Ricky? What you been doing?
I've been there thinking about you, little girl. You know that. You don't miss my baby like that, right?
Well, you know I just reach home and shit like that.
Yeah. Can't wait to be there with you, though. You know that.
But I can't wait to be over there with you either. I'm missing you like crazy.
Yeah. You know my love has been here through and like don't ever fall for you, girl. You know that.
But mine is even crazy. I mean, when I got off the plane, I just wanted to turn right back around and get back on the plane and come right back.
And I love you, girl, okay?
You know I love you like that. I mean, I really didn't want to leave, but you know I had to come back home and make sure things were straight on this end first, though.
Yeah, you know that's gonna go, baby, okay?
You know how that goes.
I'm gonna call about. Yeah, so you know I'm gonna call about later, right?
All right, well, call me back right now. You know what I'm saying? Just call me back later. I'll hit you back.
Yeah, girl, so you gotta tell me more about this guy that you married and shit. I can't believe it.
Girl, well, you gotta believe it, girl, because, girl, when I was out there in Ochi with him, girl, he took me out and showed me the world, girl, things I have never seen before in my life.
Damn. I'm happy for you. I really am.
Girl, I'm happy for me. He happy for me. His mama and his whole family.
Everybody's happy.
Girl, his mama got 9 kids. They all happy for me. His nieces and nephews.
Damn, big family.
Girl, I even met his daddy's side of the family. They all like me too. So I'm just all up in the family.
So you gonna spoil your figure for your husband, huh?
Girl, I'm gonna spoil him with all of this right here.
I hear you. We need to take this boat out and go for a ride.
Girl, we can take it out when I move over there in Ochi with my husband.
I hear you.
Take it out there in that big ocean out there.
Well, we're gonna celebrate tonight and I'm gonna pick you up later.
Well then, that's fine.
Yeah.
That's cool.
So I don't know whether Mr. Flick It Up gonna come with you. If he or what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do with him anyway?
Girl, what you gonna do with him? You the one who bringing him anyway. You gonna dance with him all night? Cause I ain't dancing with him, girl. I told you I got my husband now.
But it's your man.
He's not my man. He was somebody, a little fling.
A little fling, huh?
That's what it was, girl. I got my whole husband at Ochi.
I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. You gotta play it smooth now. You can't just drop him like that.
Girl, I'm gonna drop him like a hot potato.
Well, we're gonna bring him tonight, have a few drinks, then break his heart, and I'll pick him up from the damn floor.
Whatever you wanna do, cause you gonna dance with him, cause I'm not.
I ain't gonna dance with him. I'm looking me a man.
Girl, what you bringing him for? Cause I ain't gonna dance with me and you gonna be dancing, cause I'm not dancing with him. I told you I got me a husband now.
All right, whatever. We'll see. We'll see. So, what are you gonna do? You're not gonna have sex with him no more?
None of that. I have my whole husband, girl. My whole husband. Ain't no telling. I might be pregnant also right now.
I don't know. You might slip tonight.
No,
Shit.
ain't no slipping tonight, cause ain't no more none of us.
Girl, I'm out of here. I gotta go.
Fuck that. Fuck that. You take that short little motherfucker with you.
Yeah, and stuff like that. I mean, you know what I'm saying, been gone and all that. And so I should be feeling the same way you feeling right now. You coming at me with all this stuff like that. You know what I mean? Talking about time and all that. Where you been? Where did you go?
I was just over there in Ochi in Jamaica. I mean, it was
Jamaica?
I had me a little whole town home for a whole month.
Hold on. So you telling me that you went to Jamaica without me?
I went without you. I had to clear my head up. You ain't got no time for me. You always in the club flicking it up.
Hey, listen. We here, we trying to have a good time. Yeah, I'm saying though, so you really gonna be on that? Like, come on. That, like, I don't understand how you gonna just do me like that. You gonna really leave me like that? Like, you gonna dump me like that after everything? I'm saying, like, come on. Really? I will open up the door, but you know what? You already good.
Pull off at 4 and I'm gone. And yo bitch is with me, she gone. Molly and Zane got me gone. Smoking that gap by the zone. 30 round dick on that chrome. Niggas acting like they grown. I ain't playing with these niggas, no. And hit them up quick and I'm gone. Pull off at 4 and I'm gone. Yo bitch is with me, she gone. Molly and Zane got me gone. Smoking that gap by the zone.
We just gonna hang out, I guess. I don't know. I'm just gonna hang out, but I'm really not feeling it.
I'm gonna hang out anyway, you know what I'm saying? I mean, even though this gonna be our last night.
I'm gonna hang out. I'm gonna try to do it tonight because your best friend wants you to come anyway. But I'm gonna do it, but I'm really not feeling it tonight.
Well, what's up with the attitude? I mean, you already gonna say what you had to say, but she still had no attitude. You know, I mean, we could have had this drink, we could have a good time, but you just go on about your business after tonight. You know, you gotta worry about me calling you, none of that. You gotta worry about me bothering all the Jamaican shit. You got all the Jamaican fever. What you got, Jamaican fever now? Or you don't fuck with the Zoes no more? You don't like your Zoe daddy no more, huh?
I love Zoes, but this Jamaican right here is just something about Jamaica.
It's all that, man. It's all good. I know one day I'm gonna have these drinks. I'm gonna enjoy myself.
And I'm gonna enjoy myself too. I'm gonna try to.
Oh, girl, child, boo. We celebrating, huh?
Yes, we do.
I don't know what you're gonna do with Mr. Flickett though.
Well, you invited
But
him.
you can't hide this for long. You can't.
I don't want to. He's stressing me with this.
Cause he's my friend as well.
I don't want your friend. That's over with. That shit been done. I told you.
How you doing? Hey, you don't know. I have your back. I got your back, girl. You know that already.
I know. I'm just thinking you guys know whatever you call Mr. Richie better.
Oh, Ricky. You and Ricky, you know, always are going with some things, you know.
Richie, that's what we call him.
Huh?
You've been kind of busy lately, so you have to see him. I know you should get to see him. I know that he's up
Well, no, maybe me glimpse him now and then. You don't know, me glimpse him now and then, but me really like, you know, see him, you know. Yeah.
So how you been doing though?
Me good, man. I don't know, say one party me want to go right hello. Tonight, me I go one party, girl.
You don't know, so you're a young girl. But don't hold it. Already all I walk with my stick there, go rock my foot, see me. You don't know the thing, go. Me take care of man for you. Don't worry yourself. When me see me talk to him, you see me? I got your back. Okay. I'll tell him that his wife is looking for him. So don't worry yourself, man. Everything good.
Show me disrespect, man. Put a soda rest and I don't want to see you champagne at my campaign. King for mayor. Told you I'm the same from the escalator. And I ain't chipping off you rats and investigators. Get your envelopes, time to address the haters. Pull triggers, stack figures, roll, snitch. Not my, no. In the lobby, sipping lobby, sitting lobby. Whoa. Sexy ladies, going crazy. Cause the beat's like, my team, we try to see no. So we go pull up like keep singing.
Or maybe grand larceny. I did it all, I put the pieces to the puzzle. Just as long I knew me and my people was gonna bubble. Came out the gate on the flojo. Fat brother with the he was the logo kid. Said my don't dance, he pull up my pants and do the rock away. Now lean back. I said my don't dance, he pull up my pants and do the rock away. Now lean back.
Off to the easy, into the design. My arms stay breezy, the dog face design.
I just stay rocked on my TV. Dreaming, I hurt you, man. I teach you I'm 7 Series BM, 6 Series Benz, 24 inches, Giovanni rims. All one wheel when I'm on one of them. All that boy out there acting a fool, that's him. Say I changed, man. I need the paper, I'm flashy. Better get the paper, I'm flashy. My royalty checks the rebirth for Liberace. Stunt so hard, everybody gotta watch me. And I don't really care if it's platinum or white, dog. Long since PS bling, they got that light show. And then what they say 50 man, you sneaker look right, yo. Just can't believe Reebok did it then, but it's like, though. Banks is a show thing, not yo. I like fucking more money to the world famous murder egg show. They call me the mighty rule. How you like? I'm a G Bobby J. I'm slinging soccer fields of yay. You respect that, or get your mind around and get it pushed back. Y'all don't want it down, send them to the mall. I keep my bounty for sure in the club. They get it done, got them all the people that told me I never amount to money. To all the people that lived above the building when I was hustling from the police on when I was trying to make some money to feed my daughter. And all the niggas in the struggle. You know what I'm saying? It's all good, baby. It was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine. Salt and pepper and heavy D up in the limousine. Hanging pictures on my wall. Every Saturday, rap attack, Mr. Magic Molly Mall.
Show that be last time I woke up on a party. Be good. Yeah, my internet there, you me? Real talk.
Who's that?
Yeah, me, man.
Who?
Yeah, me son of person I come there again.
Oh, Ross, what going?
There, man, you see me?
I'm glad.
Yeah, I understand.
What going, Ross?
There, man, you see me?
I'm glad to see you, man. No?
Yeah, real talk, man, you see me?
I'm a seat now, I'm a seat. Yeah.
Real talk.
One day, you know, so I'm going.
You hear that?
You don't know so things, see?
Yeah, from
I'll
last
sit
night.
back in your question, you know?
From last night, I'm going to win a septic boy again.
Alright.
Tell me, you hear that? Well, one touch for another good one body, you hear that?
Well, you know, my man come kitchen, you know?
Yeah.
Cause last night, I be a something. I be an argument after me come from the party, you know?
Yeah.
So I'm going to say, you don't have no woman.
So you know, so right now, I have to one catch still, but she not too then I pray, so you hear that?
Alright.
Yeah, from that circle of one. You understand? Big thing, you understand?
They don't know me, too, love people want to know. But I don't know, I like how she does so far, I can't worry that thing.
I'm telling you, so. No. So we are saying about boyfriend and boy. The friend you them feel last night.
Yeah.
I'm still coming to me and give you a nice day.
Thank you.
Yeah.
True. You look to be like a shape, but you look slim body.
How is?
Oh shit.
Oh,
one. I just my friend.
Yeah, man, my friend. Yeah.
Not the same brother we see this from the party.
Yeah, I made a link. I don't know many other things going from where you
Just
know
pass
with
to
the channel. I mean, so I really call link about me with the program. Understand? Yeah, you don't know.
Yeah, you just come talk to me about some songs and things.
So you're an artist?
Yeah, man, you musician, man. You don't know just go on, you know me?
That's true.
I'm not too one, you know me? Because if you coming and go to feel away, so just go on and
I think time for the leaves too.
Alright, well next time, you know me, you can tap up and things.
So, yeah,
you can go on.
Really?
Okay, yeah, big up, yeah?
Yeah, man.
Alright. So you have a lot from me so far. Like our family now?
Seems to really have something to talk about, you know.
What one? What is man? Where you come from that from so strong for?
You like when you're
him up, you see?
No bother with it. No bother talk and get in yourself in trouble.
Yeah. Mommy, you are my mother. Me have to get myself in trouble. Nobody can hurt you and get.
My friend come. Stop it crying. No crying. Don't cry. No cry. Let me tell you. After my friend come here, come look for me, you know. And me explain to him and say, well, you know my daughter. I'm really so still. Your mother can't lie to you. But my friend come look for me.
Yeah.
And me and him in here talk and he come push the door and come fight me. Instead of fight the dirty man. You know, sister, idiot. He can fight me. I don't even know when them all fight now. Oh, come I don't want none of them. I don't want nobody. I don't want nobody. Oh, I want to by myself. Oh, because they don't even have no money. They have money. They don't have no money. Oh, they don't have no more guinea. Oh. Right now, not even knowing, me think they should have to find one white man. Then my money are too tormented. I don't know if they defend themselves still, but you know, it's alright. There must be a solution to every problem. And I'm going to step out of this backside and make it tell you.
Right thing you do, mommy.
Alright, so me I cheer up.
Very you. You man, laugh up yourself, man. Laugh up yourself, man.
Alright.
Yeah.
Who's that? Who's that? Oh, delicious! What's up? Happy to see you.
Happy to see you too, girl.
Like a couple of doors. That's nice. I'm going to take off my shoes. Come here, please don't go somewhere.
Okay.
That's alright, man. Hey, girl. A woolly person on me, I have to tell you.
Hey!
No,
mercy. Ah, so make you please have my man.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, man.
Ah, smell nice too. Yeah. So me I tell you say delicious. One bag of sitting. You want to know say what day me there one party?
Yeah.
Me and the one Mad Max. You understand?
Yeah.
So one Rasta guy come there when you Ricky.
Yeah.
You understand? Come and put 2 talk to me, buy me 2 juice and something. Nothing wrong with that, girl.
No, nothing wrong.
Alright, so me did a Mad Max him coming in and you know, I put off the guy and then something there. So I said, alright, cool, whatever. So after that, the Rasta called me.
Really?
Boy! The Rasta called me and said, if he can come link me. So he said, alright, so him come up and link me and team. Guess what happened?
Wow.
This same all cross is Mad Max. Attack me as me did tell you say me there in my yard. And the one Mad Max push down my door and come after him come attack the Rasta. Him come and I come put him hand palm me. What you say to me? My girl, you delicious, you feel see me face. You feel see my face how the boy do my face.
I know your face look away.
You saw me and tell you say? And my daughter for come and talk to me and cheer me up and him suck me day. You understand?
Yeah.
No easy at all. But another, me now sit down in a no abusive relationship. Because if they put their hand on you one time, they're going to do it again. And you not work with me now. You not going to work with me because my head not so 100. You don't know that already?
I don't know that.
I will add a palm in backside. You know what? I'm gonna present it. But guess what? I'll be here sitting like one. You see the one Ricky? The same Rasta guy. After the whole thing him call me back and say him have the girl, the same girl him have overseas. Him a go get a visa from her. After I get the visa now, I don't know him around any business and no tell business and so I'm making money. But him say after I go foreign and link up the girl, get the visa, you understand? Him a go send for me. So what you know?
Pop story, give me girl.
I one thing me I tell you, you better make sure you say that happen cause of me. I want girl me they don't rap with nobody. Cause any you slip, that's it.
Yeah.
Of course. So they are saying we thank you for the melanin thing, girl. Big up yourself.
Big up
Come
yourself.
check me anytime, you know? Yeah. Well, you think you know? From me there I wonder, oh Mad Maxim. Me didn't tell a piece of a story before. Oh Mad Maxim just reach up on my yard so quick. No, you understand. Oh God. I don't know if you send here something but from who.
But who that tell Mad Max that? Who know you from?
Well, I don't know. I trust you're still in a girl, so I'm not really worried about that still. Just a happen time there.
Let you down, my girl.
Alright, my girl. Big up, big up.
Big up yourself, my girl. No, Mad Max. Oh, go on. Yes. I go up an angel and I say, I tell me big things. Yes. Say, he met one boy named Ricky. And the boy have one woman of foreign. Say, I go look more visa. For her to come up. Yes. Yeah, bag of things. Yes.
Man, they was a mess up in there. That girl Keisha, she sure did hers. Man, that was everything. Donald Films, man, I like that movie, man. I like how they played and everything in that, man.
We need to go
smoke
back.
clip. We need to go back. What you want to go back next week or tomorrow?
Let's go back tomorrow. I need to replay it.
I got to go show them some love.
Dang, Mom, slow down. Why you keep eating all that food like that?
I don't know. I think I'm pregnant. I feel pregnant.
Oh my God.
I can't believe this.
You've been eating so much.
I know. I'm gonna have to go see about this by tomorrow because I really have been feeling weird and I really has been eating a lot and my weight has been picking up. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. I'm sorry to say you might have a little sister or brother on the way or maybe some twins.
God. Twins? What you mean twins?
Maybe. You know it run in the family.
Oh my God.
Whatever, man. Chill out, man. Anyway, what you want, man? But I really do not need her to be, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to be in no situation. You promise me? You say you ain't gonna say nothing. You ain't gonna be telling her nothing. You can pick your shoes. We had a deal, and that's what it is. What you gonna get?
I went to the side, so let me get these.
Deal? Oh no, this look kind of ugly, man.
Okay, if you don't want it, let me get these. No.
But no, I'm just saying, you sure you ain't gonna be saying nothing, right?
Yeah.
You gonna keep it quiet.
Yeah, if you give me new Clarice.
Where they at? You know I don't know where they at.
They'll tell you.
They'll tell me? I don't, man. I don't feel like bothering with you, man. You gonna have to either pick you some shoes or we gone, man. Or we gonna
Get the shoes that I want. I'm gonna tell her your secret.
You gonna tell on me?
Yeah, let me get the new Clarice.
New Kyrie?
Yeah.
You know how much that thing costs?
$320.
I ain't got $320. Only brought but $100 with me.
Boy, if you don't...
Boy, man, I'm your big brother. You don't talk to me like that. What's wrong with you? Man, you tripping. Listen, man, you gonna grab one of these shoes and calm down, and then we're gonna go. You got a pair of shoes.
If you don't get me the shoes that I want, listen to me, punk.
What,
If
you really doing that to me?
Yes.
With your... Chill out, man. Come on.
Flick it up. Where are you? I'm at Rainbows.
You at Rainbows? Oh, all right.
You said you wanted to talk to me about something? Okay, I'm by Rainbows.
Yes, I know. Yeah, I got something to tell you. I'm gonna meet up with you right now. I'm like over here by the Champs and over here by the showroom. Yeah, we checking out. I'm with my little brother. All right, I'm on my way. All right, calm down. I'm on my way. All right.
Let's see what this fool want now with me.
Jenny.
What's up?
What's up?
You all right?
I'm good. It's good.
Oh, good to see you, man.
All right.
Hey, this must be Ty.
Yeah, Ty.
Can I get a hug?
Good brother.
Hi, he cute. You cuter than your brother.
Well. But anyway, hey, look, I want you to sit down and we're gonna talk to him, all right?
We're not gonna be long.
I'm still gonna get them shoes, though.
The other night I wanted to say something to you at Bob Marley about Hennessy, but I didn't know how to do it. And we was having such a good time. I didn't want to spoil the night, you know?
Yeah.
But she's seen somebody else.
She said somebody else.
Hennessy is actually married. When she went out to Jamaica, she didn't go to see no family. She went to see her man, and they got married. What are you gonna say about that?
Speechless. I can't believe she married.
Yeah, and his name is Richie.
Richie.
Yeah, and every time I'm with her, he's blowing up her phone, and oh, it's so pathetic. I
So
can't.
that's what she went to Jamaica for, cause
She all booed up. She's all booed up, and he's all booed up. He crazy. He's obsessed with her, and she's obsessed with him. I don't know what you're gonna do, honey. You gotta find you a woman that's gonna love you and appreciate you, because right now she's cheating on you.
I can't believe this, man.
So what are you gonna do? And please don't let her know I told you. Don't let her know, because I don't want to be fighting and all of that.
So how did I even find out? If I'm going, I have to at least let her know what's going on.
But there's another shocker that comes with this. There's something else you need to know.
And what is that?
She pregnant.
Pregnant?
She's 3 months pregnant. Cause she was out there. She was out there for a couple of months. You know that.
Yeah, that's true.
Cause you and her had your ups and downs, and she wanted to clear her head, so she went out there for a couple of months. She's 3 months pregnant. And she could have been pregnant before she went and didn't know. Now she doesn't know whether the baby's yours or whether it's for her husband, Richie.
That baby can't be mine, because we haven't been giving each other no attention like that anyway.
You sure? Better get a DNA test.
And I will.
Or it better come out short like your ass. I'm telling you. But
That's
she's
crazy.
not being real with you, so I thought we had to meet in a secret place. And I had to tell you, I'm sorry. I feel so bad for you.
That's messed up.
Man, that movie was tight though, bro. I just wish that Jenny would have came. You know she my best friend.
She should have came.
I wish she would have came, man, cause you know me and her. She like my ride or die, man.
She should have came. That shit go right there.
I thought that bitch was sick. She told me that she was sick and she in the motherfucking mall and she ain't gonna go to the movies with me.
Oh, See, you gotta choose your friend.
I'm gonna make sure that's that bitch.
That's her.
With that blonde hair?
That's her, man.
You sure
that's
that's her?
Look at her. That's her right there. Look at her. Oh my God.
Yes, that's that bitch.
So what you gonna do now?
I mean, since it's like that, I might as well just be free.
True.
I mean, well, me and us can be free.
Me and you?
Yeah, we can leave out of this mall, and I can drop my little brother off, and you can go to Bob Marley's together, or whatever you want to do.
Oh my God. You know that ain't right though. You know that ain't right. That's my best friend.
Yeah, but your best friend is wrong too, and you know she wrong. That's why you letting me know what's going down.
Yeah.
And you know that I don't deserve nothing like that, so.
You know what? Kinda cute. And she's always telling me, why don't you dance with him? Why don't you be with him then? So she gave me permission, so let's do what we gotta do.
Man, well, let's get it.
You sure you can handle all of this here?
Oh, come on. I ain't a little man for no reason.
They said short men make women tear the sheets.
Yeah.
Yeah, come and tear mine now, baby.
Whoo! I got some for this bitch. Wait.
I tell me say I only for things them have bad for me. True that them a cry for me. Only for things them a try for me. Smoke and get
me response for the girl them. Every day me give thanks for the girl them. Only for love and romance for the girl them.
And what you got going on? What y'all two doing together? I thought you was supposed to be homesick and you couldn't come to the movies with me and I'm supposed to be your best friend.
Well, he needed somebody to talk to. Because
I
you ain't there for him. You ain't there for him. You haven't been there for him. Why don't you tell him?
Always flicking it up.
Why don't you tell him?
And you were her best friend.
Hey, listen. Man.
You
It's a
were
whole
her
lot.
best friend.
This is getting crazy.
You was supposed to
But
her
she's
best
cheating.
friend.
You married.
But you were cheating. How you know I'm cheating?
Because I told him. Because I told him.
Oh, so you sound like you want my man too.
I got your man. What you talking about sound like I want your man?
Well, then you know what? Y'all don't have each other. I told you to have him
Hey,
anyway.
Ty, man, come on, man. Let's go, man.
No, you can go there and go. I don't want you anyways. Go ahead. Y'all
That's
got
right.
each other.
That's why I picked him up. That's why I picked him. So you go to your Richie. You go to your Richie.
And you can have.
You go to your Richie.
Because he always flicking it up anyway. You gonna have a.
Yeah, he's flicking it up right here, baby. He's flicking it up right here.
He's flicking it up with you. Okay, y'all flicking it up, man. Okay, y'all can keep.
Y'all stop.
She dead ass wrong. And y'all dead ass wrong any damn how. What the hell y'all doing here together anyway? And you supposed to be my friend. I ain't on all that. What you got going on? I'm not on all of that. I don't care if the security put me out the mall or none of that, because both of y'all can get it.
Sure can.
Period. I did something when you were out
You
here
know
with
you
my
wrong.
man.
You know you wrong. Hennessy, you know you wrong.
I'm not wrong. How you gonna
wrong.
tell me I'm
Well,
wrong?
you married now, so why do you care if I'm with him? Why do you care? You got you a man.
Because
you
you
don't
my
want
friend,
him.
so why you
Let's
want
just
to be
relax.
after me?
See, no, hold on.
I'm not finna hold on no nothing.
Nah,
you
man,
can just
you
shut the
who
hell up because you
pregnant
dead
and
wrong.
all that other stuff.
But how you
done
know
cheated
it
on
ain't
me and
yours?
everything.
How you know it
Come
ain't
on.
yours?
Y'all can be quiet for a second.
Oh, excuse you?
No, don't talk to my little brother like that. Like you said, just chill.
So what you got going on,
What's
shorty?
going on, little bro?
How am I shorty?
You just like your brother.
Come on, man.
Let's go. Don't even start on the little child.
I ain't gonna. We beefing now. You with my man. You say you ain't want to come to the movies with me. So what's going on? What you had planned from the start?
You gonna find out what's going on.
Oh my God, come.
You gonna find. Can't you see what's going on?
I see what's going on.
All right then. So embrace it. You didn't want him.
I kind of wanted him, but the way he been flicking it up in the club, I can't want him like that.
You guys.
Well, you've been flicking it up in Jamaica with Richie.
Why you gonna tell my business like that if you thought I was like that?
Because you be dogging Mr. Flick It Out, and I don't like it.
You guys need to stop. Y'all were just best friends. Y'all need to stop. Like,
but she pregnant. It's getting serious now. I don't want him to give. She won't give him a jacket.
That's what you mean.
It ain't his baby.
You guys
it's
stop
his
it.
baby. How you know? How you know?
I know it ain't his baby.
How you know it ain't
well,
his baby?
get a DNA test. We want a DNA test.
And we can get one too, because it might come back 99.9, and then what you gonna do?
I don't care. I'm still gonna be with your man.
Oh
well,
my
let me rephrase that. My man.
Oh, so
my God.
you want my man and he's your man?
What type of friend are you?
You ain't
Why
no
don't
friend.
you mind your business?
You were never my friend.
Tell your daughter keep her mouth quiet.
We ain't studying none of that though, cause you can get it still though. And
Oh, but it's okay for your,
God.
it's okay for your mama to cheat on
No,
Flick
but
It
you're
Up.
her
But
best
she's,
friend.
but I don't care. Best
You're
friend.
her best friend.
Morals are
You
morals.
are her
She
best
is
friend.
wrong.
You was never.
She is
you
wrong.
was never.
She is wrong.
You was never
Y'all
her
want
friend.
some of this? Y'all want some of
We
this?
can get some of that, girl.
Y'all stop it.
Not easy. Yeah. I never have enough things in a life, but in a life, all up my head and try to survive, yeah. Above the water, I not drown. I arrive in Selassie, say we keep on all the heights. Unless I'm in life in the ghetto, oh, it's not easy. Oh, no one caring.
How you doing,
boo? Them not share with the poor.
I'm doing good. How about yourself?
Life in the ghetto.
I'm a coffee tell about your Rasta husband, the one with name Ricky. Yeah, the same one, the man. One thing for love my mother alone now. One thing for love my mother alone, cause few weeks ago my mother fi carry me go dinner. She did promise me fi say ma go carry me. What do you know when me ask her what happened? She turned me down and refused, so she not carrying me. So me I wonder what go on. Wait a minute. So my friend them call me now and tell me say she gonna club with Ricky. So me ask her no she not carry me, and she said no. So me I wonder what one man come up on me yard and cause one big old problem in my yard. My stepfather come catch two of them now. And beat up my mother, bruise up my mother, you have to sip on her skin. And me same one sorry for my mother when you up here cry. Oh God, man. I know my mother gonna turn me down for that Rasta, man.
So you mean to tell me that my friend been sleeping with my husband? And she got caught with her husband?
Of course. And me if you tell her the pasa.
So that's when she called me the other day. She was looking all kind of off and weird, and she act like she couldn't look at me at any kind of way. And I told her I felt some type of way.
At this one, chew me one guy dinner, and she did promise me, but she turned me down. So me can't tell you this, that you want that Rasta man to below my mother alone, that me can get for God dinner.
So that's why he haven't been answering his phone, and that's why she have been acting the way she been acting, because she been with my husband.
Yeah, man, at this one. So thanks, yeah. So make sure you tell him, I hear? Make sure you tell him.
Okay, I got you. Don't worry. I won't tell on you. I got you. Just don't worry. I'm going to get on the plane, and I'm going to come back over there, and I'm not going to say anything. I'm not going to hurt your mom or anything, but I'm going to let her know, and I'm going to let him know that, you know, they was both playing me at the same time, because they both act like they was friends, but they really sleeping together.
Whoa! Amiga, I forgot my dinner. Why? Me just can't wait till Hennessy tell Ricky say done. Then my mother can get back.
One
what a controversy.
True story.
What a controversy.
I'm here though. I went to the machine and I didn't get you today though.
Yeah, I surely didn't. I didn't want to, I went and declined it because, you know, I found out you was cheating. So I told him that, stop the money. I called him when he got it.
What? What you say you heard, baby?
Yeah, I went back down there and got the money. You're right, because I just found out from her daughter that you was cheating on me.
Yeah.
With her and her husband caught them. Caught you.
Yeah, that's a lot of bullshit, baby. You know ain't nothing go like that. You know that. You know I ain't gonna do that. You know that's not my style. So you shouldn't even let someone come and tell you something like that. You know that.
So you mean to tell me that her daughter is going to lie on you?
Yeah, I'm telling you that right now. Because I don't even know where she get that information from. Or even you, where did you get that? Because I'm not like...
The daughter caught y'all, and her husband caught y'all. So what was that going on?
I don't know about that. Anyway, I even went to the embassy to get the visa thing that he was telling me about, and when I go there, they say it's like, you know, it ain't even going to either. So I'm just wondering what.
I need for the whole time you've been with her. Why do I need for me to pay for anything when you with her?
And you should know ain't nothing go like that though. You know that. You should know that. Okay? Right now you get me like you got me up.
I believe it.
It shouldn't be though. You know that.
So why did her daughter lie? Why did her daughter say that her husband kept y'all together? And then she said that you went to the club with her. What's up with that?
I don't know anything like that, baby. I'm telling you that. You know? That's just a lot of bullshit, baby. I'm telling you. Maybe somebody just want to try to like, you know, get between us, okay?
Well, I'm gonna get more information on that, but for right now, I'm declining everything until I find out that.
Walk on, Rasta. Walk on, Ricky. Good.
Yeah, Rasta. Go on a while again, I know.
I lie.
I come link here a while ago, I feel like I'll kick with your dog. We don't stop by the dog.
Jesus, good. For real?
Yeah, man, tell you.
Jesus, Pete.
I'm going to give him a kick a while ago, you never know. And I want to have some just on it and everything right now. I'm going to have to reach out to the hospital and everything.
Oh, God. Of course, man. You have to go to a doctor with it, man.
Yeah, man, I read it.
Yo, I can't believe. So the dog just rush us. Yo, I train used to the yard still, you know. So them dog just stay in the Rasta. Yo.
Much up in front of you, hear that?
I feel a way, man.
I read that.
Yo.
Watch out now. Yeah,
Sure.
I'm get some just now and deal it.
Alright, give me a minute. Me I go get some warm salt water and thing, you know. Me I for a guy doctor still, you know. Or me I go and
I
put
don't
some,
know.
you know. Go and suck out some drinks for me, you know.
Yeah, I read that.
Now put much there.
I be your bad luck, I tell you so you may not go down the west in the machine and I tell you so you watch out. Be a fucking go on, isn't it?
Right.
Yeah. When look at piece of paper, I tell you so the woman to send come and I tell you so you be a joke thing, isn't it? I don't know if I don't touch you as a boy. I may say how she used to be a man or something and what they think. And if I didn't think
Oh, she hear them something, yeah.
that me one day, you look at us about you.
Yeah.
Me say you, she used to you, me and a link on them thing, you see? So, we go for boom, she said she send the money. We go for boom, go down there. Them say, boy, the money not there in the account. Them get all big for them thing, you see? I really think I'm a pre-say, you see me? I just make she go and send some money, come give me, I just go on. And I mean, made us go and have a link, go on different.
So Ricky, right now my body nervous. Yo, you know you're nervous system, right?
Yeah,
right now my body nervous, you know, Ricky, cause yo, me I depend on little thing, you know, me I depend on the foreign thing. So when you say foreign thing now, work out again?
No,
I don't talk go on.
Go to the embassy. I be able to fuck him after I said, you see? And I said, yeah, man, I'll get you anything right now. I don't even know, but just want to go and do a shadow and then just go and know what you have to, never long when I'm me, I do it, you see? I do for the thing, you don't know, you see me? I love how you do things,
yo, Rasta, yo, I'm not gonna say, yo, right now my feelings all are changed, you know, Rasta, yo.
Tell me,
I don't want to get a sad news right now, okay, you get hurt and everything, feel a way about that thing, you see.
I will tell me, I don't something, I hear that.
I'll be a thing I take care.
Tell me,
yo, me not really like it's all this thing, you know,
woman a foreigner give me problem, you come here and deal with it.
Yo, me not get a problem still. Me not get a problem, but boy, Rasta, that's something hard.
Yeah, watch out.
Me so sad.
I don't know. Yeah, me I tell you. Look at your cute and them things that me I tell you.
Rasta, my body nervous, my spirit nervous, everything. No, me not understand.
Yeah, hear me?
So what you say, Rasta?
Tell me I tell you.
So no money in Western Union turn down. Yo, I wonder who I tell you woman all everything. Somebody I care some news in the car. Oh, she just knows something. Oh, she know what I'm going.
Same thing I tell you. Well, I find out still, because you don't know. You're saying, them can't stop nothing, you know. You hear that, the mother, you're going to nobody will try to jump in and them things, try back and them things. You're saying?
No, sir, I mean, I look still around these things. Boy, Rasta, there's something, yo.
Yeah, real talk.
Not like the talk, you're still in a Rasta. Right now, I pre-feel all, nobody with all the relationship thing. Because you don't know, you know, so that girl, I'm a friend still, you know. Between me, you know, see, I'm a friend still, you know. And right now, she left you, so I don't know what I'm going to do with you right now. All these things, so you don't know.
You don't know that really share the thing, me and you the thing, you see me. I understand that you say free right now, she a cut, you don't know, say, your time now, you see me, I deal with it.
Rasta, man!
You don't know, baby, you hear that?
God have
mercy. Come here, take care of from what them things, you see?
Look, me change, listen, me change all my looks. Me change everything, you know, me got the Rasta way, you know, Rasta. Yo, me got the Rasta way, everything, you know, just, you know, I hear what basic that one. Basic, yo.
I know, see the dog come by and panta fight. Back around, so me I deal with it.
I like what God still. But you're going to get up.
You get up, man, you hear that?
You don't know things.
Yeah, man, I read
it. You can't come have a seat and thing, you know. Me I have to have a talk different still, you know.
Say she wants piece of the job. What a controversy. Me fuck this girl and her mother.
Hello? Can I speak to Ricky, please? This is Jeannie. Your wife, friend. How you doing? You're not doing good? Why? She what? She heard that you was cheating. She can't talk, you know, Ricky. She can't talk. That the bitch there, let me tell you what's going on with her. Me and her almost fight the other day, you know. I mean, I could tell you why the gospel truth. Listen to me. You know, said she did have a man before she come a yard fi come marry you. Something wrong with you, star. But you know good too from what me I hear. Me hear say you mess with fear friend. Well, she now file for you again. So that gone out the window, you now get no visa fi come here only. The only visa you go get I want to Alaska. Listen, she a breed, you know. What you mean you never know? Hennessy is 3 months pregnant and she not had no owner for the belly, honey. No make her give you jacket because this one cut to fit. Ricky. She have a man here called Mr. Flick It Up, but me take him away from her cause she wasn't dealing with him right, and she come out to Jamaica, marry your backside, and me know say you only want the little piece of green card. Me know you want the visa if you come here, and then next minute you dump her. You no good neither. Do you know the bitch that you married? This a sweet me. What a piece of pasa. Ricky. I know she was supposed to send you some money the other day at Western Union, innit? And she make you go all the way there, and when you go there was no money, right? I tell you, she is a little bitch. Lord Jesus. So you're salt. So no, she have belly where she don't know who the father is. It not other owner, poor child, come into this world and have that girl for a mother, Lord G. Well, me sorry for you, dear. But she a breed. So now what you do? You salt now, what you got to know? Your box at the office stay in a Jamaica serve you right. You get what you deserve. And she got what she deserved. Anyway, me just did one figure the message. Nobody shoot the messenger. Just know who you marry next time you meet your match. Anyway, me I come to bed. Me tired, man. It's late now. Alright. Bye.
God have do a lot of great things for me. So me always have faith. Move mountain. Yeah. Love God, you know. I oh, honor and glory to the Almighty. Oh, honor and glory. Hear me say, oh, honor and glory. Who shine the sun for me? Oh, honor and glory. My God is great. You make my life so free. Lead her not in temptation. That's not the way for me. I'm weeping and I'm wailing, and I'm not seeing a teeth. You make the devil control you. That's the reason why you are so weak. Sing again. Oh, honor and glory to the Almighty. Oh, honor and glory. Hear me say, oh, honor and glory. Who shine the sun for me? Oh, honor and glory. Please my cause, oh Lord, with them that strive with me. Father, forgive them that fight against me. Take my shield and buckler and stand up for my help. That is the only way. The ghetto youth them a go know themselves. Sing again. Oh, honor and glory to the Almighty. Oh, honor and glory. Hear me say, oh, honor and glory. Who shine the sun for me? Oh, honor and glory. Can't control me no way. No devil can hold me down. Yeah, I will decide my mind so me now. Never stand up, call me now sit down. Yeah, although me know that no money now run. Me give thanks to Judge and a son. Cause me don't know, although the night it comes, so the day it must forward right now. So, oh, honor and glory to the Almighty. Oh, honor and glory. Hear me say, oh, honor and glory. Who shine the sun for me? Oh, honor and glory. Whoa. You don't know Anna. You better wave the Almighty banner. Oh, hey, hey. You could have wicked and attack all your bad, but you know say Judge are greater. You put up me and them, give me no vibes that me can sing them song, yeah. Whether you're Christian or if you even turn your back, you must always remember. Give praise to the Almighty Father, so people Jamaica help me sing that song, yeah. Again. Oh, honor and glory. Jukebox again. Jukebox I say, reason the Almighty. I lift up my eyes unto the hills when I was vision with the Almighty. Bad mind people was passing, saying bad things about me. I don't really care what you do, I don't really care what you say, cause you know me I go shine one day. I was reading my Bible, when Psalms 1 say, blessed is the man that walketh not in the ungodly. Way, never gonna run away. Yeah, yeah. I don't care what the bad mind people of this world want to say. Way, we're never gonna run away. No, no. But right now that's why me only keep musical company. Please my cause out, yeah, with them that strive with me. Fight against them, that fight against me. Take my shield and buckler and stand up for my help. That's the way you know some ghetto youth are gonna know themselves. So me I tell you all of them, we're never gonna run away. Yeah, yeah. Right now, me mother and me father show me the right company. Me say, I will never gonna run away. Yeah, yeah. Jupiter and jukebox in the music, that me I tell them say, no matter where you talk every day, me music them a play. Me now watch people and them a pop off them hype and way. But Jupiter, jukebox, I tell you all of them say, take your yap away. Cause we don't bless and give thanks every day right now to the Almighty. So go away. We're never gonna run away. Yeah, yeah. And me I tell you, oh, be a walk on the bad mind people, them say, who no leave way. Cause we still not gonna run away. Yeah, yeah. Musical and we, yeah. People chat, your mouth soon drop. Everything you do, I go on like say you're hot. The one thing we say, we not grip your pot. We are pray, non-stop. Me no fool, me no idiot. I don't take coke, I don't take crack. Strictly sense in me and I'm me head back. So me I tell them, I don't say, we're never gonna run away.